Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to restore the old YouTube layout in your web browser. In the old layout, comments are located below the video, and recommended videos are on the right side. I'll show you how to do this in the quickest and simplest way. I recommend trying this method because it doesn't require any additional extensions to be installed. I hope this method helps you. If not, you can try installing extensions that can bring back the old YouTube layout. Consider this second method as a backup if the first one doesn't work. Let's get started. Depending on the web browser you use, the process might be slightly different. I'll start with Google Chrome. Access the settings by clicking on the three dots in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Then click on Privacy and Security. Click on Clear Browsing Data. Here, ensure that the Advanced tab is selected to have the same options as me. You can leave all these options selected. However, to preserve your sessions and save data, you can deselect certain options if you prefer. Select only cookies and other site data, cached images and files, and site settings. After selecting these options, click on Clear Data. Your YouTube layout should now be the old layout. I'll show you the process on Brave and Edge browsers as well. Click on the three horizontal lines, then go to Settings. Open Privacy and Security. Click on Clear Browsing Data. From the Advanced tab, select the same options for deletion as in Google Chrome. After selecting these options, click on Clear Data. The process is very similar to Google Chrome. Now let's switch to Microsoft Edge. Open Settings by clicking on the three dots, then go to Privacy, Search, and Services. Scroll down and click on Choose what to clear. Select Cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Then click on Clear Data. Comment if the video helped you. If it did, recommend our channel to your friends and acquaintances. See you soon with a new tutorial.